Hey, it's Hassan. We are back at it, digital nomading and scaling the training academy from the highest point in the Philippines. The current one big task is to get the first batch of 30 test emails fired off in instantly.ai. Then to ramp this up to 4,000 emails per day to a hyper-targeted niche audience. What this does is it lays down the foundation for the automated lead acquisition system that we're setting up. Now, I wrestled with this yesterday, and for some reason, I just cannot get instantly.ai to recognize the trigger words. Regardless, thousands of people before me have figured this out. I will join them as one more. So with all that being said, let's get after it.